The Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Farouk Yahya, arrived in Zamfara State last Thursday evening. The Army Chief took time out to visit the troops of Operation Hadarin Daji Joint Task Force at Bakura, Talata Marafa, Maradun, Kaura Namoda, Shinkafi, and Zumi local government areas of Zamfara State to see things for himself and to boost the morale of the troops in the theater of operation. The Army's High Command will provide to enable them to surmount the challenges being faced by the troops in the front line.
Other Daji and 8th Division AOR area of responsibility is so that I meet the troops on the ground and see things for myself again. I was here before. This is just the second time I was coming, and this time around I took my time to go to various areas, almost all locations I went. Yesterday I went to I passed through Maru, I went to Bakura, I went to Mafara, I came here to Magani Tarko to dance out here, interacting with troops and see things for myself the way they are, and now appreciate the troops what they are doing. We came with you here. You have seen also some of the challenges by yourself. The others also I have interacted with my troops and I have seen, and now all of them are not unsurmountable. But it's very good when you relate with your troops, they see you on the ground, they tell you firsthand what the issues are, and those ones now we will address. They are doing the
Lieutenant General Farouk Yahya applauded the efforts of the troops of Operation Hadarin Daji Joint Task Force at prosecuting the ongoing war against banditry activities in Zamfara State. He said he was satisfied with what he has observed, but decried that most of the security reports coming out of Zamfara State are being exaggerated.
Which we will also provide. It's very pleasing when a soldier talks to his chief of army staff, and I think that's what I was trying to achieve, and to hear maybe from them, like I said, directly. The things are there on the ground. I have seen them. All the security report, situation report that you hear. When you come to the ground, when you see what is the truth about it, some of them are being exaggerated. Many of them, are. But the troops are doing their best, and we will do everything possible to improve the situation. And you can see that in a very high spirit, in a higher morale, and they are ready and ever ready to work. It's a joint task force with all other elements. So we have the Navy here, we have the Army, we have the Air Force, we have the Police, DSS, Civil Defense, and all others, and you can see them working in unison.
The Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Farouk Yahya, is being accompanied the General Officer Commanding GOC 8th Division of the Nigerian Army, Sokoto and Commander Joint Task Force of Operation Hadarin Daji, Major General Uwem Basi, and other senior officials.